Looking for the best demolition jackhammer to break through concrete, asphalt, or tough materials with ease? You've come to the right place. We've done the research to bring you the top-performing demolition jackhammers of the year, considering power, durability, features, and real-life performance. Make sure to check the description for the latest deals and product links. And remember, this list is in no particular order, so watch till the end to find the perfect fit for your needs. Let's get started. Number 5. Berserker 1700-watt SDS-Max Demolition Jackhammer. The Berserker 1700-watt SDS-Max Demolition Jackhammer is built for heavy-duty demolition and roadwork applications, delivering an impressive 45 joules of impact energy at up to 2,100 blows per minute. Powered by a 14-amp motor, it has the muscle to handle thick concrete, pavement, and stone with ease. Despite its powerful output, the tool weighs only 25 pounds, which is relatively light for its performance category. The main handle can rotate 360 degrees, and the secondary D-shaped handle rotates 180 degrees, giving you excellent flexibility when positioning the tool for different tasks. The ergonomic grip adds friction and stability, ensuring better control during demanding jobs. The 6-speed settings allow you to adjust the blow rate to suit different materials, which is ideal for transitioning between heavy demolition and more precise chipping. The SDS-Max system enables quick bit changes with maximum impact transfer, while the self-locking design makes continuous operation easier without constant trigger pressure. A standout feature is its dual anti-vibration system. Number 4. BOSCH SDS-Max Demolition Hammer. For those seeking a professional-grade tool, the BOSCH 11316 EVS SDS-Max Demolition Hammer stands out as a top-tier performer. With a 14-amp motor and constant response circuitry, this jackhammer maintains consistent speed under load and provides overload protection, ensuring longevity even in the toughest working conditions. Delivering 12.4 foot-pounds of impact energy at up to 1,890 blows per minute, it handles heavy demolition with remarkable efficiency. The SDS-Max system allows for effortless bit changes with automatic locking and dust protection, ensuring that each strike delivers maximum impact energy transfer. The Vario lock function offers 12 different chisel positions, making it easy to work at the most comfortable and effective angle. This versatility is invaluable when dealing with irregular surfaces or confined workspaces. Weighing only 23 pounds, the BOSCH 11316 EVS. Number 3. Berserker 1300-watt SDS-Max Demolition Jackhammer. The Berserker 1300-watt SDS-Max Demolition Jackhammer is proof that you do not always need the heaviest or most powerful unit to get serious work done. At just 12 pounds, this lightweight jackhammer is incredibly easy to maneuver, making it ideal for both horizontal and vertical demolition jobs. Its compact size makes it especially effective in tight spaces where bulkier tools would be difficult to handle. Despite its smaller profile, the 11-amp motor generates 4,100 blows per minute, providing up to 15 joules of impact energy for fast and efficient chipping. The SDS-Max bit system allows for quick, tool-free bit changes while ensuring maximum impact transfer, so you can switch between chisels in seconds without losing momentum. The ergonomic design is another highlight, featuring a 360-degree adjustable handle and a Vario lock positioning system that locks the chisel into 12 different positions. This means you can always find the optimal angle for your work. Number 2. VEVOR Demolition Jackhammer. The VEVOR MAX 2200-watt electric jackhammer is built for those who demand both raw force and comfort during heavy demolition tasks. Powered by a robust motor delivering 1,350 blows per minute, it has the strength to break through concrete, block, brick, and even hardened tile with minimal effort. This model's heavy-duty metal housing ensures long-lasting durability, while its heat-treated alloy steel chisels stand up to repeated, intense impacts. One of the major strengths of this jackhammer is its vibration control system. The adjustable 360-degree handle with slip-proof rubber not only improves grip, but also absorbs shock, significantly reducing fatigue during prolonged use. This makes it an excellent choice for contractors and DIY users alike who need to maintain precision. Number 1. XtremepowerUS 2200-watt Demolition Electric Jackhammer. The XtremepowerUS 2200-watt demolition electric jackhammer takes the top spot for its outstanding balance of raw power, versatility, and ease of use. With a powerful 20-amp motor, if this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected.